Welcome to Apple Store Technologies. Today in this session, we are going to discuss a BIP report output with a tab separator. To fulfill these kind of requirements, we need to know the ASCII characters, where these ASCII characters can help us to create a eText template. These are the ASCII characters which we generally use to fulfill these kind of requirements. Let's have a look at these characters. Here we have a char 11, which is a vertical tab. We have a char 9, which is a horizontal tab. Okay, when we place this char 9 in our eText template, the data output will be in a horizontal tab. Okay, means the data in the output will be separated with the horizontal tab. And when we place char 11 in the eText template, the data which is a vertical tab, we have a char 9, which is a horizontal tab. Okay, when we place this char 9 in our eText template, the data output will be in a horizontal tab. Okay, means the data in the output will be separated with the horizontal tab. And when we place char 11 in the eText template, the data in the output will be a vertical tab separator. And when we place char 44 with, then the data output will be in comma separated format. Okay, so to fulfill this requirement, I am going to create a data model with 5 to 6 columns from the POJ supplier. Creating a data model. I am creating a data set with SQL query, naming it as name query, and the data source which I am taking it as application DB FSCM and pasting my query. This is the sample output which we got using our query with the 5 columns: vendor name, segment 1, vendor ID, business relationship, organization type, lookup code. I am saving this data model. BIP report with the tab separator. I'm saving the sample. Now my query is ready with the 5 columns. I'm going to show eText template with the firstly with the horizontal tab. This is the eText template which I prepared to fulfill our requirement. This format setup is a standard setup which we need to follow, and the format data records is the place where we will place the XML tags at the column names and print the data. Okay, in this first column says the length of the each column which we are going to print. Now I can consider vendor name with 100 characters. Let's say if I have a vendor name with more than 100 characters, then the output will consider only 100 characters, the rest characters will be discarded. So we need to be careful while placing the length of each column. Likewise, for segment 1, I gave 100. For vendor ID, I gave 100. For organization type lookup code, I gave 100. For business relationship, I gave 100. In between these columns, I gave character 9 ASCII value, which is a horizontal tab separator. So this is how we can prepare the eText template. let me attach this template to my report so that I can generate a horizontal tab separator BIP output. Okay, so let me create a report. Let me attach the data model first. Attaching a data model first. I'm uploading a template which I prepared just now. I'm giving the name as report, layout name, attaching the template, and we need to select the template as eText and the local as English. Save this report as BIP report with the tab separator. Let me click on view list first. When we attach a eText template, the Oracle provided output formats are text, data XML, data CSV. Now, for our requirement, I'm selecting text as default format and I'm running the report. Exporting it to text format. This is the text output generated just now. In this, the first row belongs to first supplier, second row belongs to second supplier, third row belongs to third supplier. In the first row, all the records are separated with a tab. This first record is supplier name, supplier number, vendor ID, type lookup code, and business relationship. Likewise, in this, all records are separated with the horizontal tab. Now, I will show you another eText template which says vertical tab separator. I took the same template, I placed the char 11 instead of char 9. Earlier template, I placed a char 9, which is a horizontal separator. Now I am placing a char 11 as a vertical tab separator. So let me attach this vertical tab separator template to the report, then generate the output. Let me add a new layout. Attaching the template, vertical tab template. I'm generating the report. Now, see, earlier output is generated with the horizontal tab. Now the report output is generated with the vertical tab. See, first 5 records now belongs to first supplier, and the next 5 records belongs to next supplier. The third 5 records belongs to third supplier. Now I am going to share one more template with a comma separator. For that, as I showed, we need to take the char 44 as a ASCII value separator. So I'm adding a new layout here. Now I'm generating a comma separated output and exporting it to text format. Now, this is how the report output generated when we attach a comma separated template to the report. In this, The first row belongs to first supplier, second row belongs to second supplier. In this, the records are separated by comma. In earlier output, the records are separated by vertical tab and horizontal tab. So this is how we can generate the outputs in any separators by using these ASCII characters. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe Apple Store Technologies.